today, from our broker tour, I had a chance to visit a stunning 5 million house located in Los Gatos, California. So this house has almost 6,400 square feet, and the great part of it, grown grapes, and they send out to factor and then bottle them and then share with friends and families for fun. Isn't it cool? So it's really beautiful and stunning. The only thing is it's pretty private, so they don't allow me to take videos. I can still take you guys to peek a little bit, but the good thing is they will open to public this coming Saturday afternoon. So if you're interested in this property, please let me know, and hope you guys have a chance to take a look during the open house. Bye!